Hello, budget bakers. I am here with my daughter today. If you recall, we made a video where we went through the pantry and came up with a list of everything that we need. We did inventory of our pantry. So after we did the inventory list, I went online. What's so funny?
I don't know.
I guess groceries are funny. I went online and I did a price comparison for 4 different grocery stores by us. So I went to Food Lion, Lowe's Food, Harris Teeter, and Lidl. And I compared prices for 5 basic ingredients. I compared flour, sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and butter. And I don't know if you can guess which one was the least expensive or not, but it surprised me a little bit. It was
Lowe's Food!
No, that was the most expensive.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that was the most expensive one there. The least expensive store was
Lidl.
No,
let me do it.
Go ahead.
Food Lion.
Yes, I couldn't believe it. And that was with some sales. So Felice and I are headed over to Food Lion right now, and we're going to pick up the things that we need from our inventory list. And we will be back. We're going to do a little video in the store to show you what we're getting and what we've got. And she's showing you all her squishies right now. And we'll be back with that in a minute. Okay, here we are. We have arrived at Food Lion, and we are going to take you inside with us and show you the prices for our ingredients. We started our haul with evaporated milk for $1.39 a can, and I did opt for the store brand. The sweetened condensed milk was $1.99 a can for the store brand, so I did opt for the store brand there as well. Then we hopped over to the nuts, and I did get some walnuts and some pecans. The organic cocoa was a few cents cheaper than the regular cocoa, so I opted for the organic variety. We did pick up a package of yeast, and then the chocolate chips were only $2.89 a pack, which was a great deal. Coconut, we did pick up a package of that as well. And all-purpose flour was $2.38 a bag. $2.22 for 32 ounces of brown sugar was a great deal. Granulated sugar was average price, $3.14. Wow, it was on sale for a couple cents off. We did pick up baking powder and baking soda. Baking soda, I did opt for the store brand for 98 cents a box. Molasses and Karo syrup did make its way into our cart, as well as Crisco that was on for $3.19. We opted for the store brand of graham crackers for $2.29 a box. And the Reynolds non-stick wrap was also on sale. Butter was $3.69 a box. And here we are unbagging our haul onto the kitchen counter, which was quite loud but fun. Alright friends, so that is our haul, and we spent $96 today on everything. We did get a few extras. We got a couple of bags of the herb stuffing that I like to make stuffing with for Thanksgiving. And we got a package of orzo because my daughter likes this particular dish that I make with that. We got bread and rolls. And what else? Oh, and she got the 2 of these little fruit snacks and a notebook. So we did get a few extra things, but the majority was baking, and we did well. So I hope you've enjoyed shopping with us today and all of our crazy antics, because it did get a little crazy in the store. Somebody dropped the clipboard 2 or 3 times, and it wasn't me. So have a great day. Do your research before you do your ingredient shopping, and see where you can get the best prices. See you soon.